guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Carly and I'm back with another video. For today I'm showing you guys some holiday inspired pieces. They're really glittery, they're really glam. Before we even get into it, make sure you subscribe down below and join the fam. So this set right here is called the Party Time Skirt Set. I'm absolutely in love with it. It has like this burgundy velvet all throughout with like sparkly plaid details. The sparkles come off very easily. Like I definitely leave a trail of glitter wherever I go. It's very comfortable. I don't feel restricted in it at all. Like this material has a lot of stretch. It's very forgiving, so that's always a plus. One place I would wear this to is like a holiday Christmas themed party. I probably would wear some like black tights and like some thigh-high boots, just make it real cute. Open eye. So this jumpsuit is called the After Hours Metallic Jumpsuit. It's honestly one of my favorite outfits in this whole haul. I love the sequins all throughout. The glitter doesn't come off of it, and it has a black underleg under, and it ties at the waist, and the straps are adjustable. This jumpsuit is really comfortable. Like I don't feel like I'm wearing dressy clothes at all. It feels more like I'm wearing chill clothes. So I could really appreciate that. I feel like I would wear this more for like New Year's events because I feel like it's just so like, hello, I'm here, look at me. Like it's just really like a show-stopping piece. But yeah, I love it. So this set right here is called the Glamour Sequined Pants Set, and I love it. It's so sparkly. The top is sheer, so you definitely have to wear something under. I have a black bra under. The bottoms are not. They have a black fabric under. One thing I noticed is like the sequin tends to snag to like itself, so like I would be careful with that. One place I would wear this is like out with the girls, out to like a holiday party, of course. But if I wanted to wear it like more casual, I would interchange the tops and the bottoms. So like wear the bottoms with like a more casual top, like a plain black bandeau, or even wear the top with like jeans. One thing I noticed that I don't really like about this set is that I feel like it has a lot of midriff showing. I wish the top would come down a little bit more, or even the bottoms would come up a little bit more. So this top right here is called the Shine Bright Sequin top. I love the way it glistens in the light. It just hits so beautifully. It's a black velvet material with like green, purple, blue sequin, like iridescent sequins on top. It's really comfortable. The sequins does not itch me at all. And the material like under is just like that velvet material. So it's really soft and it doesn't irritate the skin. I would wear this to like a casual party, like a casual New Year's party where you still want to wear sequins but not from like head to toe. You still just want to do a pop of something. So that is the end of my video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I really enjoyed filming. I'm happy to be back. Make sure you guys subscribe so you don't miss out on any new content for this coming 2020. I hope that you guys have happy holidays and a happy new year, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.